Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 359. Full upload versus delta upload in the PAC CLI. Back in tip 138, I looked at the upload command available for Power Pages in the PAC CLI. One related thing I haven't covered yet is that, depending on whether the source and destination environments are the same or different, there are two different types of uploads. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. If you download from environment A and then upload to environment B, as is common in ALM situations, the PAC CLI will perform a full upload. This means all of the data is pushed to the destination environment. However, if you download from environment A and then upload back to environment A, as is common in development situations, the PAC CLI will perform a delta upload, where only modified files are uploaded. This makes the upload process faster, which is nice when you are making lots of changes during the development cycle. If you are uploading to the same environment, but want to perform a full upload, you can use the --force upload all parameter. This is useful when you suspect something isn't quite right with the delta upload. In our next tips, we'll look at how the PAC CLI tracks those changes, the manifest files. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 359 on full upload versus delta upload in the PAC CLI useful.